Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write HUAWEI AI Life. Then click search and you need to install the application what called HUAWEI AI Life. Now I'm going to speed up it for you. Now open it. Right here you need to select your region, and I don't recommend it to use United States. This application have trouble with this region. So select something else and then click next. Next and agree. Right here you can allow it or do not allow, it's up to you. I'm going to allow it. And now we need to click add device, but not here, but just at this plus icon at the right top. Then, if you want to allow this application to use your location, you can click allow while using app, or allow once, or do not allow, it's up to you. And the most important is to click right here, allow it to find Bluetooth devices. And that's it. In the next video we'll show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!